to put it in the stow and go formation, you just pull both of these, then you grab the seat and pull it down, and grab a hold of this and then let it go down. Now to do the other side, you do the same thing. You just grab these two, pull it back. I'm going to grab the seat, pull it down, and you probably want to move that, or you can leave it right there. And there you have it. Put the seats back up. All you have to do is just lift up, and it'll snap in place, and then you can just pull this back. Pretty simple. Then to do the other side, again, you just lift up, set it down, and then pull this back and make sure it connects.